Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. In today's episode, we are going to explore percentage and the use of ratio tables. So if you'd like to know how to solve this question in less than 5 minutes, stay with me all the way till the end and the answer will be revealed. But for now, let's do a quick deep dive together into the question. So Mrs. Tan had a box of green, blue and red bits. She had 248 green, 30% of her bits were blue, and it is mentioned that 24 fewer red than blue. First question, what was the total number of bits in the box? Second part of the question, Mrs. Tan's son bought her some blue bits, and because of that, her total bits increased by 25%. So how many blue bits did she have in the end? Without further ado, let us explore how to do this question together. So I would start off by drawing my ratio table. So can you actually use short form because all the colors start with different letters. So G for green, B for blue, and R for red. And I need to include total. So as I'm solving maths, my students, they actually know that I do not like to deal with percentage. So how can I avoid using percentage in my solutions? Very simple. I just need to change them into units. So 30% is said that 30% of them were blue. And if I key 30% into the calculator, I will actually obtain 3 out of 10. So what this practically means is that 3 units belongs to blue. And it is said that she had 248 green bits. And what about the red? The red has got to be 24 fewer than blue. And this means that it is 3 units minus away 24. Okay, so 24 fewer red than blue. 3 units minus 24. So what's the total? 10 units. Because of denominator 10 over here. Okay, let me circle it for all of you. Then how can we actually form our equation? Think about this. If the blue belongs to 3 units, what about the green and the red? The green and the red has got to be 7 units. Alright, 7 units. So if this is the case, all I need to do is to form a simple equation involving 7 units. So 7 units must come from the green and the red. So 7 units must be 3 units minus 24. And I got to add 248 to the answer. So 3 units minus 24 plus 248. Okay. And my next step, okay, let me just write clearly. 3 units minus 24 plus 248. So this means that 7 units has got to be the same as 3 units plus 224. So basically if I have a minus 24, negative 24, adding 248, the final outcome is 224. Positive 224. And I need to shift the 3 units over to the other side. So this will mean that my answer will be 7 units, subtract away 3 units to be the same as 224. And from there, 4 units represented by 224 Naturally, I need to find out what is 1 unit. So 1 unit has got to be 224 divided by 4. And this actually leads us to 56. And if the question is asking us for the total number of bits, this has got to do with 100%, or in this case, the denominator 10 will be our total. So total will be 10 units. And it will actually be 56 multiplied by 10. Final answer being 560. So there we have it. I have managed to solve part A of the question. I hope everyone is following nicely so far. So the second part states that Mrs. Tan's son bought her some blue bits, and as a result of that, her total actually increased by 25%. So let us find out together what is the increase, meaning what is the new blue bits that were bought by her son. So the new blue bits, it must be 25% multiplied by 560. And if I were to do that, 25% times 560 will actually be 140. So what about the existing number of blue bits? Or I can call it the old blue bits. So we know earlier that the blue bits, right, 30% of the bits were blue. So the old blue bits has got to be 3 units, which is none other than 56 multiplied by 3. And if I were to do that, 56 times 3 will lead me to 168. And since Mrs. Tan's son, excuse me, since Mrs. Tan's son bought her some new blue bits, the total blue bits in the end, okay? The total blue must be 168 plus 140. And as we know it, this will lead us to 308. Did you manage to arrive at the same answer as me? I hope you did. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning from. That's always good for us to know. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way, because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to keep you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye.